Hi, welcome to Ragashri Video. Come fall in love with history. Donald Fauntleroy Duck is a cartoon character created in 1934 at Walt Disney Productions. Wearing a sailor suit with a cap and a black or red bow tie, known as Donald Duck, is most famous for his semi-intelligible speech along with his mischievous and irritable personality. National Donald Duck Day on June 9th each year commemorates the birthday of a funny animated cartoon character. Donald Duck made his first screen debut on June 9, 1934 in The Wise Little Hen. Born on 9th June 1949, Kiran Bedi is an Indian social activist who was the first woman to join the Indian Police Service and who was instrumental in introducing prison reform in India. She joined the IPS in 1972 and went on to serve a variety of roles including narcotics officer, anti-terrorist specialist and administrator. In 2003, Kiran Bedi became the first woman and the first Indian to be appointed as United Nations Civilian Police Advisor. She founded two voluntary NGOs, Navajyoti in 1988 and Indian Vision Foundation in 1994. The main aim of the organizations are to operate primary education, adult literacy programs, offer occasional training and counseling services for women, as well as to provide drug rehabilitation for prisoners. In 1986, the first known cases of HIV in India were diagnosed by Dr. Suniti Solman and her student Dr. Sellappa Nirmala amongst 6 female sex workers in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The India's first recorded HIV victim died at the private hospital in Mumbai on 9th June 1986 after a fortnight's treatment. John Christopher Depp II, born on June 9, 1963, is an American actor, producer and musician. Depp's first film role was in the horror film A Nightmare on Elm Street in 1984. Depp is the third highest grossing actor worldwide, as films featuring Depp has grossed over $3.7 billion at the United States box office and over $10 billion worldwide. He has been listed in the 2012 Guinness World Records as the world's highest paid actor with earnings of $75 million. And also, June 9th is celebrated as Call Your Doctor Day. See, there's so many reasons to love history. This is Ragaveshri, we do you. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.